Now, Scientology has been officially recognised as a religion by the UK's Supreme Court after a 5-year legal battle by a woman who wanted to marry in one of their chapels. The ruling sweeps aside 158 years of legal precedent by declaring that a religion did not have to be confined to those involving a supreme deity. In the past, courts have described the Church of Scientology as sinister and dangerous, but today's landmark decision could pave the way for substantial tax breaks, as Cordelia Lynch reports.
Man can save his soul.
And now Scientologists can marry in their church chapels too. A new dawn for a faith that Michael Gove once described in Parliament as an evil cult. Now a bride-to-be is glowing from her victory.
I didn't want to have to get married twice. I wanted to have my wedding, and it actually to be legal in my church. And that was just important to me.
It's taken Louisa Hodkin 5 years, but she has seen 158 years of law dramatically swept aside. Of the world's biggest religions, a handful believe in a divine being. But today, Supreme Court justices ruled that religion should not be confined to faiths involving a supreme deity. That means the court now recognises the Church of Scientology as a place of meeting for religious worship and a place where two people can have a religious wedding. But some ministers believe it will also open the golden gates of lucrative tax breaks.
Well, it has potentially quite a big impact in terms of business rates, and what it could mean is that the Scientology group are able to benefit from the same exemptions to business rates that churches are generally allowed to claim. Now, we do keep it very clear that those exemptions are for areas that are open to public worship and have public access in that way. So we're going to be doing what we can to remain firm on that, but this does have a potential implication on business rates. That means the taxpayer could be picking up that bill.
This is an important step for Scientologists, of course, but everyone else seems a bit confused about exactly what it means. In the past, the church has been accused of not being transparent enough, but could this new recognition usher in an era of openness? Back in 2006, Tom Cruise and Katie Holmes were Scientology's poster couple, marrying in Italy. They've since divorced. Alessandro and Louisa are hoping to tie the knot in more low-key surroundings at this church in central London. What is a Scientology wedding like?
It's basically like most other weddings. We have our own service, obviously, but we say I do, and we have a congregation and an aisle, and she'll wear white. You wouldn't find anything unusual about it, I wouldn't think.
But the venue for their union is new, even if the message is not.